Manufacturing systems are becoming smarter to improve production capabilities and efficiency. The demand for connectors used in factory automation is increasing. Factory automation includes industrial robots, controllers, transporters, servo motors, and a variety of other applications. They often work in harsh environments that require high speed, high power, and wide temperature ranges. JAE offers high quality and highly reliable connectors to excel in these environments. Our engineers hold high standards to guarantee a seamless flow in production. Here are some of our key, high-quality, and reliable connectors that are commonly used by our factory automation customers. These solutions enhance uninterrupted connectivity, reliability, safety, and labor efficiency in industrial settings. Explore JAE's connector solutions and revolutionize your factory automation systems to their full potential. The KN01 series are high-density, waterproof rectangular connectors. The MA01 series are automotive-grade, 8 gigabit per second, floating board-to-board connectors. The DX07 series are USB Type-C connectors. The DW11 series are floating board-to-board power connectors. The JL05 series are JISP 9960-1 conforming waterproof connectors. The JL10 series are bayonet and screw mating hybrid locking, waterproof circular connectors. The HB01 series are waterproof cable-to-cable connectors. The HB03 series are compact cable inline connectors. The JN1, JN2 series are compact waterproof circular connectors. The JN14 series are waterproof connector for compact servo motors.